Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about removing the lower strut mounting bolts.
Okay, we got a bolt here we got to get out of the way, which actually holds our anti-lock brake wheel speed sensor. Go ahead and loosen them up so we can get access to the nuts for our lower strut mounting bolts. Alright, should be about finger tight. Alright, there we go. Flip this guy out of the way there. These are the bolts we're aiming at. As you can see, I've soaked them down with a little bit of penetrating oil. That's a good idea to do before your service. These ones in particular happen to be a 17 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and break them loose. Get that one loose, and now to break loose the lower one. You're going to want to break them loose both at the same time. If you take, like, for instance, this top nut out and then try and break the bottom one loose, you're just going to pivot the whole steering knuckle or suspension knuckle in the rear. Okay. You may need to put another ratchet on the back side just to hold the bolt itself still while you remove the nut. And depending where you're located in the country, or the world for that matter, weather may have corroded some of this stuff up pretty severely. I live in probably just about the worst spot in the U.S., Michigan, and as you can see, we're dealing with the rust right now. I'm going to show you a trick here. What we're going to do is use our socket as a punch and drive this bolt through a little bit. That'll aid us in disassembly. Get that out of the way. That way you're not striking directly on the nut or directly on the threads of the bolt. If you mushroom those threads out, you may need to replace that bolt. Use my screwdriver and drive this guy through. Alright, once we get him out of there. And you're going to want to repeat that process for the upper bolt.